In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Wise multi-currency account. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign up, get to your dashboard, and add your first currency so you can start managing money across borders with confidence. Start by opening your browser and heading to wise.com. On the top right, click Sign Up. Wise lets you create an account using your email or through a trusted third-party option like Google, Facebook, or Apple. Pick whatever you're most comfortable with and follow the on-screen prompts. Next, choose whether you want a personal or a business account. Personal is great for everyday use like travel, online shopping, or sending money to family. Business is tailored for companies and freelancers who need features like invoicing and payouts. Select the one that matches your needs. You'll then be asked to choose your country. This helps Wise tailor your experience, show you the right currencies, and present the correct verification options. You'll also be prompted to verify your phone number. Keep your phone handy to enter the code they send you. This step protects your account and helps prevent unauthorized access. Follow any additional prompts to finish creating your profile. When everything is confirmed, Wise will take you straight to your home dashboard. On a brand new account, you might not see any balances yet. That's completely normal. To add your first one, look for the new button on the dashboard and click it. Choose Add a Currency. You'll get a list of available currencies. Select the one you need. Wise will create that currency balance instantly. Once the balance is created, you'll see its account details right away. Depending on the currency, these can include things like local account numbers or international details you can use to move money into Wise. You can share those details with people who need to pay you, or use them yourself to top up from your bank. If you're planning to receive money regularly, it's a good idea to copy those details carefully and keep them handy. Note that availability of specific details can vary by country and currency, and some features may require you to complete additional verification before they appear. That's it. You've created your Wise account, reached your dashboard, added a new currency, and located the account details you'll use to fund it. From here, you can repeat the same process to add more currencies whenever you need them. Take a moment to double-check everything on your screen, and you're ready to go.